today we're making the most delicious grilled chicken with the most luscious barbecue sauce. Absolutely perfect and amazing if you are still looking for a main entree for your 4th of July celebrations. Hi guys, I'm Laura Vitale, and on this episode of Laura in the Kitchen, we are making awaited, I know some of you have been messaging me daily for this recipe. It's my bourbon peach barbecue grilled chicken. I made this on Memorial Day, shared a video with you on Instagram, TikTok, all that fun stuff, and you've been begging me for the recipe. It is very simple and easy, but I'm thrilled to walk you through it simply because it's delicious. I'm actually going to start making the barbecue sauce because it's so easy and it's the sort of thing that I want to get out of the way. You can absolutely use your favorite store-bought barbecue sauce, but I like to make my own if I can because it's just so simple and it takes me no time at all. In here, I've got a mixture of ketchup, maple syrup, Worcestershire sauce, yellow mustard, and a little bourbon. And apple cider vinegar. All the things. I'm going to add them to a saucepan. If you don't want to add bourbon, do not. Just keep it out and it'll be just fine. And here I have a mixture of seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, brown sugar, paprika, chili powder, and mustard, ground mustard powder. Add that in there. Turn that baby on. And I'm not going to add my peach preserves just yet. I'm going to add just a touch of water. And I'm just going to bring that to a simmer. Basically, I'm just going to let this simmer for a few minutes until the sugar dissolves. But that is the base for your barbecue sauce. Now you can go lots of different ways here. You could add some chipotle for a lovely smoky flavor. You could add anything you wanted and really just sort of make it your own. I really like the addition of the bourbon and the peach. I feel like it just gives you a little bit more sweetness, a little more stickiness, and a tiny bit of like tang from the bourbon, but you don't have to add it if you don't want to. Like I said, just giving that a stir because what I don't want is for everything to stick. While that happens, I'm gonna work on my chicken. I'm using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. I am not a fan of chicken breast on the grill when it comes to something like this. It just dries out really quickly, and I like that skin for me is really important. So I'm going to go ahead and coat it in a spice mixture. And in here, all I have is ground mustard, chili powder, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, a whole bunch of stuff. It will be listed on the website. It's delicious. The only thing I don't add here is I don't add any brown sugar to the spice mixture here because it's going to burn on the chicken right away. And we don't want that. So I'm going to take this and sprinkle it all over, along with some olive oil, and then just really massage it all over the chicken. So just a little oil. That looks good. Gentle bubble. It does not have to boil for very long. I'm going to go ahead and add some peach preserves. This is local peach preserves from Jersey Peaches, which we love from a local farmer's market. I'm going to go ahead and add about a quarter cup. And then I'm going to turn it off because I don't want to burn anything at this point. I'm just going to mix it in until the peach preserves have completely melted in there, which we're nearly there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through what my next steps are going to be. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this chicken, I'm going to place it on a really hot grill. I'm going to put it skin side down. You want your grill to be right around 350 degrees. Leave them there for about 10 minutes. This will vary depending on the size of your chicken thighs. And then you're going to go ahead, flip them, cook them for an additional 10 minutes. And then when you got that going, you can prep your barbecue sauce. And once you have the second side cooked for 10 minutes, you're going to go ahead and glaze both sides while they're still on the grill with your barbecue sauce. Once you have that, you can throw some peaches on the grill if you want to. Let that barbecue sauce really caramelize and it just gets to be amazing, and then you're done. And that is what you are looking for. It's charred, it's delicious. 2 of the pieces are gone because my sister's here and she took them literally off the plate for lunch. She keeps it honest, you know what I mean? She's like, no, I'm not waiting. I want lunch. That smells amazing. Barbecue chicken's one of our favorite things, so incredible. I have some basil from the garden. I am like knee deep in basil in my garden, so a little green is perfect, but look at that. I mean, you're telling me that doesn't look delicious? You would be lying. It's sticky. It looks amazing. I'm just going to practically tear a piece off because I didn't even bring a knife with me, but it's okay. We love this. Barbecue sauce, so good, so easy, so delicious. You can keep it on hand for whatever your heart desires. That is amazing. It is screaming to be on your holiday table. Go to laureninthekitchen.com for the written recipe. I hope that you've enjoyed spending time with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.